Best play yards and playpens for babies. Everyone loves to play with the baby. When your baby is teeny tiny, keeping them occupied in a swing or a bouncer is about as much as you need. However, once they're sitting up, rolling over, and crawling, you really need a great play yard, also known as a playpen. These genius items are an easy, safe place for your little one to hang out, relax, and play, all while you can see them. Number 1. Most durable pack and play dome LX-Playard. This playpen has been the gold standard for decades. It's a solid option that comes with a bassinet basket for newborns, a changing pad, and a bassinet insert for infants who aren't yet able to sit up. It also has a really handy wipe holder on the side. The crib mattress is the standard size and incredibly comfortable. Having used this play yard through 2 kids and knowing it lived through 2 more, I can attest that this is an absolute beast in the durability department. My kids are jumpers, and they did not destroy it. Plus, the fabric comes clean very easily with just a few quick wipes. However, this playpen is also the heaviest, at nearly 40 pounds, and one of the hardest to collapse. Number 2. Affordable high-end Breeze Plus Portable Playard. One of the first play yards to fold with one hand, the 4Moms Breeze should definitely be on your radar. The bassinet and the changer are so easy to take in and take out, and the mattress is soft, breathable, and standard size. The 4Moms Breeze has a wider base than a top, which provides an additional level of stability you'll appreciate when your little one starts dancing. The entire frame is covered with a white clean fabric, and the top bars are well cushioned for baby safety. You can position the mattress base either in the middle of the playpen or at the bottom, depending on the age and size of your child. The 4Moms Breeze is extremely high-quality engineering and high-end fabrics and design without the high-end price tag. Number 3. Machine Washable Travel Crib Light. The fabric of this play yard by Baby Bjorn is machine washable in cold water. It's only 8 pounds, and all the materials that come into contact with your baby are Ecotech standard. This playpen comes with the mattress and carrying bag, but unfortunately not the sheets, which are not standard size. It also does not have an option for bassinet height. It also has a one-handed fold and super compact bag. If you're planning on schlepping your playpen to a bunch of different places, this is just the thing for it. Number 4. Peekaboo Zipper Lotus Travel Crib. That zippered opening on this option is a game changer, since you can easily place your child in and out of the playpen with ease. Guava is a newer parenting brand, and their focus is on high-quality, innovative baby products. So far, they're doing a tremendous job. The whole thing is only 11 pounds, and it fits into a backpack that they give you. It opens in seconds, and the crib sheet is the same size as the Bjorn. It's super steady and low to the ground. There is no bassinet position, unfortunately, but this option is GreenGuard certified. Number 5. Best Budget My Portable Play Yard. The coolest thing about this playpen is the fact that the bottom is waterproof and can be hosed off. It's a lightweight, easy-to-open travel crib that's designed to be taken through rough conditions. It doesn't sun bleach easily, and there's more than enough room for a few toddlers. It's a basic option that's incredibly affordable and durable for the price. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.